I have a power bone. Turkey's getting real molested.
D, bro. D.
Turkey's getting molested.
Are you serious? That's not extra. That's sad. Like, that's somebody's child. I thought the pineapple was for design. She literally just shoved it inside the turkey. That's actually sad.
I'm not doing turkey. Because this is like buying a piece of chicken breast is different, but this is a lot. Like I would go to sleep.
That has to be animal cruelty.
Right. I'm gonna have a nightmare, bro.
She get mad at me for doing the daughter turns and stuff like this.
Yeah? Look like gym work.
And she's smiling while doing it. Like
She's having a blast.
she flipping him over. Like, bro.
That has to be legal something.
Turkey will have his moment.
He's having his moment.
No, right? It just goes to remind you, man.